Hello everyone, I am Tapan Hajar, student of IIT Guwahati. In this video, I am gonna solve another question asked in JEE Advanced 2018. The question is that we have an expression r is equal to 1 minus a divided by 1 plus a, and another approximation is given. Delta a by a is very less than 1. So I have to find out what is delta r. So let us solve this question. So in this question I am gonna use the one of the properties of logarithm. So ln of ab are two quantities, and this is nothing but ln a plus ln b, or if you have ln of a minus a by b, then it will be ln a minus ln b. So this expression you already know, and another formula I am gonna use is delta of ln x. Delta of ln x is del x by xc. For example, you know already the formula that derivative with respect to x of ln x is nothing but 1 by x. So if you take dx on the right side, it will be dx by x. So derivative of ln x is equal to dx by x. So if I change d to delta, then I will get the formula in term of delta function. Here delta represents appreciable change, while d represents very small, almost negligible, but delta represents appreciable change. So these formulas I am gonna use. So here we are seeing that two expressions, 1 plus a and 1 minus a, are appear in the form of a numerator and denominator, and you know that this type of expression can be solved easily by taking logarithm on both sides. So if I take logarithm on both sides, I will get ln of 1 minus a minus ln of 1 plus a. So take delta derivative. So if I take derivative in terms of delta function, it will be del r by r, and this expression will be delta of 1 minus a divided by 1 minus a, and this will be delta of minus 1 plus a divided by 1 plus a. So just take delta inside. Delta of 1, derivative of 1 is 0, so derivative of minus a will be minus delta a, so it will be minus delta a divided by 1 minus a minus derivative delta a divided by 1 plus a. So if I continue to solve this expression, it will be take delta a common, because it appears on the both expression. Just take delta a common. So I am taking delta a common and writing the rest within the bracket, minus 1 divided by 1 minus a minus 1 divided by 1 plus a. So it will be delta a times if you just multiply them, so it will be minus 1 minus a minus 1 plus a divided by 1 minus a times 1 plus a, then it will be 1 minus a square. So if you continue solve this, minus a plus a will be cancelled out. It will be minus 2a minus 2 delta a times minus 2 delta A times 1 minus A square. So here I find that delta R by R is this one. So to find out delta R, so delta R will be minus 2 delta A times 1 minus A square. Then the R will be multiplied here. So I multiplied R on the RHS. So just use the expression for R. What was R? So R was our 1 minus R divided by 1. So 1 minus A. 1 minus A divided by 1 plus A. 1 minus A divided by 1 plus A. And also here 1 minus A square I can write in the form of 1 minus A times 1 plus A. You can see here that 1 minus A here appears in the numerator, and here 1 minus A appears in the denominator. That is why they will cancel out. So remaining thing will be delta R is equal to minus 2 delta A divided by 1 plus A appears 2 times in the numerator, in the denominator. So I will take 1 plus A square. So this is the answer. So see you in the next video with another example. Thank you.